Hi, folks. Manard Warren, Manard Warren and Associates. Nice to see you. As we think as an advisor, how do we put our best foot forward and get our career off to a flying start? There actually is a hierarchy of where you can go to be most effective. And when I say that, what I mean you're going to get more yeses than nos. All right, so the hierarchy is, let's first go to warm market folks, and let's also go to folks where we can get referrals and introductions. That's at the top rung of the hierarchy of where, in my opinion, you should look at expending your focus and your time, effort, and energy to get out there and talk about the services that you offer. Now, the next rung down would be people/companies in your target market or in your ideal client profile. And then lastly, as we go down the ladders of success, meaning where you're going to hear more yeses than nos, the last rung of the ladder would be cold calling, where you have minimal connection with the people that you're reaching out to. The importance of the word I just used is paramount: connection. We want to reach out to the folks that we're the most closely connected with. And that's where we're going to change the numbers on how many yeses we get to appointments compared to how many no's. Now, I'm not belittling cold calling. If you need to cold call, so be it. You need to cold call. Just understand the numbers. Typically, the numbers with cold calling is 5% success. That means if you want to schedule 5 appointments, you need to call 100 people. So be it. Those are the numbers. But let's flip the numbers if we can and reach out to those folks in our warm market, because you're going to have about an 80% success getting appointments there, or reaching out to clients where you're getting referrals and introductions. Referrals, you'll have a 50% chance of getting an appointment. And when you're assertive and ask that client to introduce you to the people that he or she is going to refer you to, all of a sudden your number skyrockets to 80% success in getting the appointments. As you're looking at formulating a hierarchy of where you could be putting your time, effort, attention, and focus, please give this strong consideration. We're looking for the best connection, because normally those people will have more of a tendency to say yes to an appointment versus no to your offering.